My dear students, how are you? Again, I am Ariful Hassan, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Milestone College, welcoming all of you on our online classes. Last three classes, Zoom live class or video class, we are discussing chapter 16. And last class, we completed juvenile delinquency, causes of juvenile delinquency, and maternal or effects or impacts or the preventive measure of juvenile delinquency and maternal welfare. Today, we are going to start section 16.3. See your text. Section 16.3, HIV or AIDS, which is a familiar topic to you, and it's a one kind of mentionable or major social problems at present, not only in Bangladesh but also the world. Around the world, in Bangladesh, we are also facing this type of problem. First time, we want to see about the conception, or first you see conception or concept of HIV, that is what is meant by HIV. You know that HIV is an abbreviated form and it's a full form. You know, all of you, human immune deficiency virus, and it's a one kind of micro lentivirus which enters into human body and destroys gradually the immunity power of the body. And first time it dormant, HPV virus remains dormant in the body for a long time. Basically, dormant period of HIV lasts 6 or 7 months. That means when HIV virus enters any human body, it can be identified after testing blood, after minimum 6 or 7 months after testing the blood. That means when a person affected by this virus, the person came to know after 6 or 7 months. And you know that this virus remains in different organs of the affected person, like in blood, semen, vaginal secretion, spit, tears, urine, and breast milk. But experts open that the thickness of virus in tears, urine, and spit is very less. That is why through these organs there is no possibility of being infected. So this in a brief about the HIV. Now see next conception of AIDS. You can say AIDS is the last stage of HIV. That means when a person determined by testing blood that HIV, the person is carrying HIV, that means that person is a AIDS affected person. And the full form of AIDS, that is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. Again I am telling, AIDS is means full form acquired immune deficiency syndrome. And I told also earlier that the last stage of the HIV infection is called AIDS. A person is called HIV positive only when this virus is identified through blood examination in his or her body. Now we will see what are the causes or reason why AIDS or HIV affected person increasing in our country, around the world. It's from class 5 or 6 you are learning this topic in 6, 7, 8 in general science book. You have got idea about AIDS or HIV. In class 9, 10 in biology classes you will also get idea about this one. So just I am seeing the mentionable causes. Due to sexual intercourse between HIV infected male or female, that transfusion of the blood of HIV carrier to another person using transfusion of the blood of HIV carrier to another person using a syringe, needle or other surgical instruments with HIV virus without disinfecting them, homosexuality, childbirth from the infected mother or breastfeeding by an affected mother, by the transplantation of the affected persons like cornea, heart, kidney, liver, etc. or cells. Now, what are the symptoms? That means how we can say one person is affected by the HIV or person is AIDS patient. You can say when a person will be affected by HIV, that person will loses weight by 11% in 2 months, suffers from fever and diarrhea all the time. The infected person suffers from coughing or continuously 1 month gets respiratory infection and dry cough all the time, feels terrible pain at shoulder and armpit, suffers from fungal infection at different body parts, feeling of depressions. That means these are the symptoms of HIV patient or AIDS patient while this virus a person will carry. Now another topic, next topic, situation of HIV or AIDS in Bangladesh and the world. That means what is the condition at present all over the world. HIV, you know that first time in the world HIV infected person identified in 1981. In Bangladesh first time identified in 1989. In the world first time 1981 and in Bangladesh first time in 1989. And the person who first time infected by this virus, this person came in Bangladesh from another country. And see, according to the statistical report of the World Health Organization WHO, in 1995, the number of AIDS patients in Myanmar 475, Vietnam 228, India 1036, Malaysia 200, in Pakistan 46, Philippines 198, in Thailand 19,095, and in Bangladesh it was only 9% in 1995. But gradually number of these patients, not only in Bangladesh, all over the world, increasing. In 2001, the number of carriers of HIV virus was 188%, that increased into 248%. Bangladesh increased into 248% in 2002 in Bangladesh. The latest situation of Bangladesh as per National AIDS or STD programs. AIDS also called sometimes STD, that means sexually transmitted disease, and AIDS or STD programs 2010 identified HIV affected person were 2088 in number affected person, and AIDS affected person were 850, of which 241 person died already. According to the 2016 report of the same program, the number of HIV detected person is 578. As per this survey, the number of HIV affected person and that the death between 1989 to 2016 are 4,921 and 599 respectively. That means according to these statistics, you can say Bangladesh also in a risk zone for HIV. That means it is gradually increasing. Now we will see next topic, the impact of AIDS. That means what are the result, what type of problems will create if gradually HIV patient or AIDS patient increase in any country. The HIV or AIDS infected person and his or her family have to suffer social torture. That means almost all the society of the world treats the affected persons with hatred, and you can say no cooperation or sympathy is shown to the affected person, rather they have a negative impression about them. As a result, they die the mental death before the physical death. That means when they cannot lead a normal life in the society, every person are hating them, the affected person. That means physical death, before the physical death, mental death take place. Then the AIDS infected person gradually loses all his working capability, which makes his or her family in a financial fragile position. That means when head of the family, that means who is earning the money for the family, if suffers from this disease, at that family there is a financial disaster, you can say, they are facing financial problem. Then another impact or result, mutual relation and trust between husband and wife faces deterioration in many cases. The blood transfusion creates risk. That means the country where maximum cases are found HIV or AIDS, in that case it is difficult to transfusion blood from one person to another person without checking or without proper decision. Then the rate of untimely death increases, because you know that there is no preventive measure, there is no vaccine for AIDS. Ultimate goal of AIDS patient is death, and when a person affected by this disease, the person can die within short days. That means untimely death increases in any country. Now, ways to prevent. That means how we can prevent AIDS in Bangladesh. I told already that there is no preventive vaccine for HIV patient or AIDS patient, but we have to take some precautions or measurement by which we can reduce or we can prevent this type of diseases. First one, see, following the religious rules and obeying the ideals set by the society for our character and attitude, having trust on only one life partner or having sexual relation only with one sexual partner, the prior checking of HIV before taking blood from any donor or source, avoid using the needles, blade and syringe, creating awareness amongst all people including adolescents, using disinfected scissors and needles while piercing ear, nose or skin of boys, taking steps with cautions while transplanting organ in our body, taking special precautions while going abroad or non-residents, engaging youth in mass awareness program to prevent AIDS. That means if we take these steps, it is possible to reduce the number of patients in our country, and we have to build a mass awareness program among the young generation about the negative or bad side of this type of disease. Now see, duties to be done to the AIDS patient, which is not included over here. If you mix with a HIV person, HIV or AIDS patient, you will not be infected. If you use the same plate or glass or same bathroom, you will not be infected. Why? The process which is mentioned earlier, if you don't do this one, it will not be affected. That means it does not also spread the shaking hands, hugging or playing sports, studying or nursing the affected person. See, the AIDS contaminated person need essential treatment besides social and mental support. We have to give the mental support. They must be taken to healthcare and centers if they get fever, diarrhea and pain, and arrangement for regular nutrition, food and enough rest is needed. Mental and social support from the family or from the society by the state also, you can see, is important for them. We should always abide by the policy hate the disease, not the contaminated infected person. That means we will hate the disease, not the person who is infected. Keeping friendly relation with them and sharing their minds through love and affection is necessary. And the AIDS contaminated people should not be kept isolated from others. They should be kept carefully so that they do not get affected by other contagious diseases. So if we do this one, it is our responsibility to do the work for the AIDS patient. So next class we'll start 16.4 road accident. Today up to this, and after that you have to attend one MCQ test in Google form, but you have to do some homeworks. See the homeworks. You have to write causes and preventive measure of AIDS in Bangladesh. You have to write causes of AIDS and preventive measure of AIDS in Bangladesh. Okay, thank you all of you. Stay home, be safe. Best of luck.